And welcome back. Second innings now. Jamaica and West Indies batsman Jermaine Blackwood says the Caribbean team can close out their test series against Pakistan with a win when the teams meet in the second and final match starting on Friday at Sabina Park.
It's been over a decade since West Indies last defeated Pakistan in a test series. Since then, there has been 6 series, 2 ending in drawn results, while Pakistan won the other 4. But after taking the first test by a narrow 1-wicket win, the West Indies are hoping 2021 is the year, and batsman Jamaican Jermaine Blackwood is optimistic about another win.
It's not much difference, to be honest. Once we go there and play some hard cricket, I don't see why we can't beat Pakistan. And I think in the last game, you see some glimpse of the batsman go there, show some application. So once we can go there and bat for longer periods, I don't see why we can't win the series, because the bowlers always doing an awesome job for us.
In the meantime, Blackwood, who top scored with 55 in the Windies chase of 168 on Sunday, says he had always intended to attack the Pakistan bowlers.
The bowlers was bowling pretty good. So me and Rasta ended up just a simple plan. I just tell him that I'm going to be the aggressor for the innings, and he just tried to bat as long as possible. So I just told that certain balls just come in certain areas, I'm going to look to score, and some of those balls that I tried to hit, some of those balls basically in my area. And once it's in my area, I'm going to try to score, because once I can put the bowlers under some pressure, because it's not a big total. And once we can get a few boundaries, then, they're going to, relax the field a bit, so we can get some more singles. So that was really my plan.
Blackwood also shed some light on countryman Nkrumah Bonner, who only managed 5 runs across both innings in his first test match at Sabina Park.
I spoke to him when the first innings and the second innings when he got out, and I just asked him how he was feeling. He said he's feeling good. Although he didn't get the score that he wanted, but he said, the little time he spent at the crease and the second innings, he felt very good batting, the ball is hitting his back middle and stuff. So he's full of confidence. Obviously, he's playing at home and he will want to score some runs, as in myself as well. So I don't think that's going to add any pressure to him, because I know the type of player he is or are. So once he go here and bat for long as possible, I don't see why he can't make any runs in the second test.
The second and final test of the series is set to bowl off at 10 a.m. on Friday. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.